Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0013 indicates a problem with the VTC, Variable Timing Control Oil Control Solenoid Valve B in the Honda Civic from 2016 to 2021. This solenoid is responsible for regulating the flow of oil to the VTC system, which optimizes the timing of the intake valves for better engine performance and efficiency. When this DTC is triggered, it suggests the valve is malfunctioning, leading to potential engine performance issues. The location of the solenoid can be found on the engine near the timing chain cover, attached via a 2-pin connector. Proper functioning of this component is critical for maintaining optimal engine timing, emissions control, and fuel efficiency. Understanding and diagnosing this error involves systematic verification, especially through the use of the HDS Honda Diagnostic System tool, to ensure accurate readings and assessments. DTC P0013 refers to a malfunction of the VTC oil control solenoid valve B within the engine's variable valve timing system. This solenoid plays an essential role in managing engine oil flow to adjust the timing of the intake valves, thereby enhancing engine performance and optimizing fuel efficiency. A faulty solenoid can lead to symptoms such as poor acceleration, increased emissions, or rough idling. This component is typically located on the engine's timing chain cover, making it accessible for testing. When troubleshooting this DTC, it is crucial to understand how the solenoid interacts with the engine's oiling system and electronic control unit, ECU, as any malfunction can directly impact the vehicle's overall performance. The DTC P0013 can stem from several possible causes. The primary concern is a faulty VTC oil control solenoid valve B, which may have internal failure due to wear or contamination. Additionally, wiring issues, such as broken or shorted wires, may disrupt the electrical signals necessary for the solenoid to function correctly. These wiring problems can also lead to intermittent faults, making the diagnosis more complicated. Lastly, a malfunctioning PCM, powertrain control module, could send incorrect signals to the solenoid valve, impacting its performance. Each of these potential causes needs thorough examination during the troubleshooting process to ensure all components are functioning appropriately. Symptoms associated with DTC P0013 can significantly impact vehicle performance. Drivers may experience poor acceleration, which can arise from misaligned valve timing caused by the malfunctioning solenoid. This can lead to loss of power, particularly during rapid acceleration or when merging into traffic. Rough idling is another common symptom, often described as an uneven engine sound when the vehicle is stationary. The check engine light is almost always illuminated due to DTC P0013 being recorded in the vehicle's diagnostic memory, signaling to the driver that immediate attention is required. Recognizing these symptoms is essential for timely intervention and repair, preventing further engine complications down the line. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0013 involves verifying the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This action allows the onboard systems to initialize. Next, use the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, to clear any existing DTCs, which sets the stage for a fresh diagnosis. After clearing the codes, start the engine and hold the speed at 3,000 RPM under no load conditions, CVT in park or neutral, or manual transmission in neutral until the radiator fan activates. This step helps the system to reach operational parameters, allowing accurate readings to be obtained. Finally, check for any new pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS to see if DTC P0013 reappears. indicating a persistent issue. For the second step in troubleshooting, the vehicle must be turned to the off or lock mode. This ensures all systems are offline to safely conduct tests. Next, disconnect the VTC oil control solenoid valve B's 2P connector, isolating the solenoid from the circuit for testing. After disconnection, measure the resistance between the two test points at the solenoid valve side. The expected resistance should fall between 7.0 and 8.0 ohms at room temperature. This resistance check is crucial because it confirms whether the solenoid itself is functioning properly or if a malfunction exists. If the readings fall outside this range, it indicates internal issues with the solenoid, necessitating its replacement. The third step involves checking the continuity of the PG power ground line. With the vehicle still in the off mode and the VTC solenoid disconnected, check for continuity between the designated test points. The VTC oil control solenoid B2P connector's female terminal number 2 and a good body ground point. This continuity test is essential to determine if the wiring between the solenoid and ground is intact. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates that the PG wire is functional, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Conversely, if no continuity is found, it suggests an open circuit within the PG line, requiring immediate repairs to restore proper electrical connection. During the fourth troubleshooting step, jump the SCS service check signal line using the HDS to initiate the diagnostic procedure. Wait for over 1 minute to ensure the system stabilizes. Following this, disconnect the PCM Powertrain Control Module Connector E, enabling access to further check the VTC EX line. Again, continuity needs to be tested, specifically between the VTC Oil Control Solenoid B 2P connectors female terminal number 1 and a good ground. Establishing continuity confirms that the VTC EX wire has no shorts or breaks. If continuity is not present, it indicates a short in the wiring between the solenoid and PCM, requiring diagnostic attention to isolate and repair the faulty wire. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting yet another continuity test, this time focusing on the VTC EX line between the VTC oil control solenoid B and the PCM. Ensure the vehicle is still in off mode with both connectors disconnected for accurate measurement. By testing continuity between the VTC oil control solenoid connector's female terminal number 1 and PCM connector E pin number 46, you can determine if the VTC EX wire is functioning correctly. A successful continuity test confirms the wire is intact, allowing the vehicle to operate as designed. If the test reveals no continuity, it indicates an open circuit in the VTC EX wire that requires immediate attention and repair, ensuring a reliable connection for the solenoid's operation. Once all potential issues related to DTC P0013 are addressed, it is essential to perform a final repair verification process. Utilize the HDS to check for any lingering DTCs to confirm that the repairs were successful. This step ensures that the error does not reoccur and that the vehicle is functioning optimally. A critical part of this verification is conducting a test drive to observe the vehicle's performance under typical driving conditions. Monitoring for any warning lights or symptoms during and after the drive will confirm the thoroughness of your troubleshooting and repair efforts. If no DTCs reappear and the vehicle responds well, you can confidently complete the process. Prevention is key to avoiding issues like DTC P0013 in the future. Regular engine oil changes are vital, as clean oil helps maintain proper lubrication and functioning of the VTC system. Be sure to follow manufacturer-recommended intervals to keep the engine running smoothly. Another crucial aspect of preventive maintenance is the regular inspection of wiring connections related to the VTC solenoid and PCM. Looking for signs of wear, corrosion, or looseness in connectors will help avoid electrical failures. Finally, consistently monitoring engine performance can help identify any upcoming issues before they escalate into major problems, ensuring the longevity and reliability of your Honda Civic. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0013 and its implications is critical for maintaining the performance of your Honda Civic. The systematic troubleshooting approach ensures that you accurately diagnose and resolve issues related to the VTC oil control solenoid valve B. Following the specified steps helps identify faulty components, wiring problems, or PCM-related issues effectively. Don't forget the importance of preventive maintenance, such as regular oil changes and wiring inspections, to optimize engine performance and prevent reoccurrence. Keeping these elements in mind will contribute to a healthier vehicle, ensuring reliability and efficiency on the road for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.